You mentioned as a part of the setting the scene, I've seen polling data which suggests that maybe 80% of the Palestinians favor the idea of a two-state solution. And that this might be a compromise or a way in which most of them can come together and say, here's a deal that we can make with Israel for moving forward. Do you think that that is an accurate representation of what they think? And do you think that that's a solution that has a possibility of working?
Well,
it's what a two-state solution is.
It's a question because indeed this is the two parties, Israel and the Palestinians, have agreed on that. When in '93, Prime Minister Rabin and Yasser Arafat signed, etc., the one thing both sides agreed is more or less where we want to get, and that's. At that time, it was not made explicit, but today it's more or less, as I said, it's more or less in the open. It's two states living side by side. But how to get there and what would be the characteristics of that agreement on the details is still it's still a matter of debate or negotiation, rather. Lately, we have since then, we had the feeling that Arafat and the Palestinians had gone back on some of what we understood were the tenets of that recognition. And we would like to, in the framework of negotiations, of an agreement with us, for the Palestinians to make explicitly recognition of Israel as a Jewish state. Not Israel as an Israel that will be flooded by Palestinian refugees and will lose its national character as the homeland of the Jewish people. But we would like the Palestinians to recognize Israel as the homeland, the Jewish state, as we will recognize the Palestinian state as the homeland of the Palestinians. And in that framework, each country is going to be the solution for their own people. As Israel was a solution for the displaced people in Europe that didn't have a home after the Holocaust, and as we absorbed hundreds of thousands of Jewish refugees from our countries that had to leave, in that way, the Palestinian state will be the solution for the problem of the Palestinian refugees wherever they are.